Ooh, ooh, fish. Ooh, that was a nice bite. Please let me land this. Okay, good morning everybody. We're back in Pennsylvania. We're at the Lackawanna State Park. I just saw something big break the surface over there. Putting on my bigger buzz bait. Maybe we can get my first buzz bait fish today. That would be excellent. So we'll see out on the water in just a second. Alright, we're going to go with a more subtle presentation with this hollow body frog. It has some popper action to it as well. Things are still busting on the surface. It's a little after 7, I think. Yeah, they're still busting all over the place. Whoa, whole big line of them. I don't know what they are, but there are tons of fish suspending near the surface in the weeds. Tons. I would call that a school of something. Nice school here somewhere. Alright guys, we gotta get this skunk off. Gotta get this skunk off. Try this. Second bite. I know, like right in front of me. He's taunting me. No, it might be a carp. Small one. Jesus. No, couple bites, but I think they were all small anyway. I'm going back out. I'm just need to use the bathroom. What's that?
It's like they're making fun of you.
Yeah. I don't imagine the ones that were hopping up all around me. I don't think they were bass. I think they were carp maybe. Because it didn't seem like they were really feeding. They were just kind of jumping. I mean, they were, if they were bass, they were sizable, but.
Yeah.
Okay, folks. It has not been the outing I was hoping for. We're about 2 hours in, more than 2 hours in. No fish. 2 or 3 bites. Probably small fish. I have like a small tube style bait on a drop shot right now, and I just put a jig on with some rattles. When I was here in July, there's another kayak fisherman that was having great luck just tossing jigs right up onto the shore and reeling them in. Hey guys.
Oh, wait, where's your,
Huh?
man, look at all this setup. You got the
Yeah.
fish
Uh-huh. It's my pedal drive, paddle. Got the rudder in the back.
Oh, where's your camera?
It's chest mount. No. I mean, I'm not keeping any anyway, but... Oh, the whole gang is here. No. Not today. I know there's been things jumping all over. I don't think they're bass. I think they're like either carp or maybe trout. They won't go for what I'm throwing. Well, I wouldn't mind catching them. It's just that I'm using bass lures. They wouldn't go for it. Well, I didn't think anyone would actually take my note seriously. Hopefully you guys are good luck, because I haven't had any. Does anybody want to try it? I said, does anyone want to try it? It's a little, I'd have to tell you what to do, but... Well... Wow, I have a fan club. Yeah, let's see if it works. Okay guys, yesterday was a complete bust with the kayak. I'm probably going to take it out here later. I'm back at the Lackawanna State Park, but now I'm here taking a walk with the family, so we're just going to take it down to the bare bones and just kind of freestyle, see if we can get a couple small bass with just, Senkos and whatnot. So come along. I'm calling it right now. I'll get at least one fish. There we go. Nobody cares. So I'm just gonna wacky rig a knockoff Senko Bass Pro Shop. What do they call these? Stickos, I think. Yeah, sticko worm, green pumpkin. I think we'll catch a fish. I know what I'm doing. Hey guys, this is our last chance. It's my last day here, and nothing's been happening. Can't get skunked, This looks good over here, but snag central probably. About to find out. Okay guys, trying to turn you around so you can see this feature of this lake that I've always found intriguing. I would think that it would mean fish, but I really don't know. If you can see this stone wall coming in, that's actually an old road, and the road goes under the lake, on the lake bed, and there's actually a bridge under the water. So I feel like that bridge, if I can find right where it lines up with the road, would be a great structure point for fish on a hot summer day. We're getting a lot of I am seeing occasional small schools of suspended fish. Right now we're in like 18, 20 feet of water, but there's some right there, but they're always in like 10 feet of water. So what I'll do is I'll count it down: 1, 2, 8, 9, 10, and now I'll reel in. Oh, see, this looks like a huge school right here. Huge school. And it just went from like 26 feet to 9, 12 feet. So I feel like that I might be on the bridge right now. And this is right about at that area too. Maybe I should try the drop shot again, because they were kind of low. Yeah, here's that bridge, I can tell. So it just automatically went from like 26 feet to like 11 feet. Let's look for some fish. See, and we're lined up right with where the road would be, and back to 23. So we just like went over the bridge. So guys, my improvised seat has failed me once again. Now the straps that were not attached and caused the breaking in the first place, now one of those straps has snapped. And I'll tell you, on a windy day like today is not when you want a problem. Against the wind. Alright folks, this has been a pretty miserable fishing weekend, but this is a fluttering spoon, kind of a small one for what it is, but I've actually been thinking about taking it to a deep part like over here by the dam. If I pedal up there a little more, we're in like 32, 35 feet of water, and just turning this on flasher mode as if we're ice fishing and kind of just jigging the spoon at different depths. You know, when the bite is hard, you got to get creative. You got to try something that, you know, other people probably aren't trying. So I've been watching some videos of some of my the YouTube guys I look up to trying these big metal spoons, much bigger than this actually, like 8 inches, and having really good luck with big bass. So, you know, it's worth a shot, because I wouldn't say I'm in desperation mode, but you know, I've put my work in this weekend, and you know, no fruit for my labor, but that's how it is sometimes. You know, we could also cast this thing and reel it in, but I want to just try the jigging thing that I've had in mind. So we're gonna go right over there and get this phase underway. Okay, so here we are in 32 feet of water. We're seeing fish suspending all over the graph, but right here at like between 10 and 15 feet. So, gosh, that spoon looks good. Okay, let's change our mode to flasher. 33 feet. Alright, so that should be my lure. Rapex jerkbait. I don't know guys. I don't know. Ooh, fish. Oh, that was a nice bite. Please let me land this. Please. I've had a bad couple days. Yes. Oh, fish. You don't know how happy you just made me on the Rapex as I almost lose my pole in the water. Holy shit, that was a surprise. Holy shit, that was a surprise. I was not expecting you, buddy. I was not expecting anything. Wow. Surprise last minute fish. He felt heavy. He fought hard. This guy. He felt a lot heavier. At first I thought maybe, alright, I mean, listen guys, it's not a huge fish, but damn did I work for this fish. Damn did I work for this fish. Right there. All right. Kiss it. Mwah. Thank you so much, buddy. I did not get skunked in Northeast PA. We'll let you out right by this log. We all good, buddy. Not bad, not bad, not bad. What a shocker. Okay. Sweet. The jerkbait. Not stuck in my foot, but it is now. Is it stuck in my shoe? No. Okay. Huh. Well, we worked for that one, guys. We worked for that one. Holy crap. Okay. Calm down. Calm down. Okay, guys. Well, this is just going to have to be one of those occasions where one fish is going to have to be good enough. It was a surprise fish. It was on a bait that I was not anticipating using, nor did I really think was going to work. But sometimes it works out that way. So this isn't a total loss. In fact, it was a good learning experience. Got to bond more with the kayak and bond more with the outdoors. So all is good. Oh, and one last note. One kind of bummer about fish finders is when you see a whole bunch of fish and you're just not catching them. And that's definitely something that happened today. I saw tons of fish on the graph. I saw lots of what I would call schools. I mean, maybe they were just schools of small fish that weren't biting my bass lures. I don't know, but so yeah, that's sometimes disheartening to see so many fish on the graph but just not be catching anything. But anyway, yet another adventure complete. I head back to Yonkers with my head high, looking forward to future endeavors. Please like, please subscribe, and whatever you do, fish like there's no tomorrow. Peace.